Welcome to my channel. I have an unboxing and review of a little tech that I picked up from Five Below for $10. This is the 360 View by Track. It's an AI 360 face object tracking tripod. Works with Bluetooth. But before I get into this review and unboxing, if you're new here, I just ask that you hit that subscribe button below. Hit that bell to be notified. I drop new content on this channel every Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. If you're returning, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. All right, so let's get into this unboxing and review. Let's take a look at this box. As you can see, there is a picture of the tracking tripod, and the guy in the background look like he may be doing a TikTok or YouTube video. It says that it mounts and rotates to follow you as you record a video. It is tripod compatible, app integrated, works on iOS and Android. Face tracking, object tracking, and 360 moving head. All right. And let me remind you, I got this from Five Below for only $10. Let's look at the other side. You get the specs. So horizontal rotation 360, upward rotation 37 degrees, downward 37 degrees. Max payload 10 ounces. Fit most phones with a width of 2.3 to 4.1 inches. And inside the box you get one AI 360 face object tracking tripod and the user manual. And here is some information about the company. Turn it over. Okay, so here is a picture of another person. It looked like it's holographic. So if you, let's see if I can get it. There you go. Holographic on the other side of the box, as you can see. And it just gives you the same information that was on the other side that I show you. You will have to use 3 AA batteries for this. Also, it says it's great for use on social media platforms, in which when I seen this in the store, I was like, I gotta get this to try it out, because I will be using this for future videos. And for $10, I was like, well, let me try it out. And I would have to say that this box for $10 is giving you a lot, especially with this holographic image. I don't think you're going to find that on anything for $10. All right, let's check the other side. Features. Like I said before, face tracking, object tracking, 360 moving head, tripod compatible, app integrated, and it works for Android and iOS. And then you can follow the company on TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. And on the bottom, just UPC code and some other stuff. So yeah, so this is the box. And now let's go ahead and take this out of the box and get it working. You guys, I don't have an unboxing knife. I need to get one, but for right now, I'm going to use this pen to open this box up. Alright, so inside, here is the 360 tripod. Put that off to the side there. See what else we get. Okay. And here is the user manual. 1 page. Front and back. Not in colored, but it is on good shiny paper, so that's a plus. All right. So let's take a look at this 360 view. Okay. I would say that build quality seems pretty decent. Okay. On this side you have 360 view by track, power button. Okay. And these expands out so that you can put your phone in. You may have a larger phone, you may have a smaller phone. And then this here is to tilt your phone. Okay, and then at the bottom here there are QR codes. I guess this is to get the app from whatever, the Apple Store or the Google Play. And you can also put this on a tripod, which is a plus. So yeah, build quality is pretty good. I don't feel like it's going to tear on me, so I'll show you what the phone will look like on the 360 view stand. I'm going to use the Moto G Play. If you have not seen my unboxing of the Moto G Play, link will be in the description below. If you can head over to that video, show them some love after this video by giving it a thumbs up. It'd be greatly appreciated. Okay, so as you can see here, you can tilt it back and forth. Now I'm going to put this horizontal here. So it just slides right on in there. Just like so. Okay. And then the knob in the back, you can loosen it to tilt it left and right, or to make it vertical, which I think this phone is a little too tall to do that. So keep that in mind if you decide to get this device, that your phone may be too tall if you have a bigger phone to do it vertical. But horizontal, it works. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is put the batteries in. Open this to put the batteries in. So you're going to turn that and pop that on out. And it takes 3 AA batteries. So let's see. 3 AA batteries. There we go. And we pop that on in. And twist that. Alright, there you go. So let me set up the app to the phone, and let's see how well this 360 view actually works. Alright, you guys, connecting was easy. After I put the batteries in, I downloaded the app from the Google Play Store, and it connected via Bluetooth. All you have to do is have your Bluetooth on. But let me say, there's a but. I had such a hard time figuring out how to get this to track my face and how to get it to track an object. Now, according to the manual, you're just supposed to double tap on your face and then click on the record button, and it's supposed to record. Well, that is not what happened. It took me 10 minutes to try to figure this out, and I still didn't figure it out. The only thing that worked for me is the 360 button that you press, and it automatically rotates 360. So I'm going to show you a video of that. Is a nice little video of my mom's yard. She wins a yard contest every year, so that's what I'm going to show you. That's the only thing I can get to work as far as tracking anything. The only thing that worked was the 360 view button. Other than that, $10, you get what you get. I wouldn't recommend this to anyone. Matter of fact, I won't be using this anymore. Only thing I would use it for is for the mount, and for mounting it onto my tripod to make it a little taller. Maybe I would use the 360 button if I need it, but as far as tracking, is a no-no. Yeah, so comment down below if you have this 360 view by track, and let me know. Maybe it's something I'm doing wrong. I don't know. I'm normally pretty good at figuring these type of things out. Let me know below. I would love to use it in videos. I think it would have been a great asset to creating my content, but I couldn't figure it out. So this has been my review of the 360 view by track, picked up for $10 at Five Below. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.